Gentle. She bit half of it off. You can see how gentle she is, just naturally. Huh. It's a very good girl. A very good girl. And it's always a good thing to see that they gently take food out of the hand, because you never know if you're going to have a little kid try to come up and give her a little treat. You know she's not going to even accidentally touch their hand. She's just going to take the treat. That's a very good girl. Yes. Yes. Very good girlie. Oh. So polite, so nice. Huh. What? What? Please more. Sit. Gentle. Good girl. That's very gentle. Gentle and polite by nature. And she just got here. She just got here yesterday from Germany. Huh, here. Yesterday.